So over here you can see that I have a bunch of folders in my OneDrive, and if I were to go around over here in images right here, then you can see that I have a bunch of images, and let me just go around onto info right here. Once I do that, you can see that this is actually giving access to another people, and you can go around and manage out access to see who this file is shared with. But let's say what you want to do is you want to say something to the other user. Like let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and then tag them out for that. So you can go around onto mentions on the info section right here, type in @ right here. And then what you can actually do is you can go around and type in who you want to actually go around and then message out. So over here, I'm going to go around and tag this second person out right here, that is tututube2@outlook.com, and say, hey, can you add in more files here? So you can just go around and then comment them out right here, and you can share and notify this out to the other user. And you can see that you have actually mentioned them and commented over here. If you just want to comment out, let's say for example, the number of pictures are too less, then what happens is that without tagging, you can add in a comment as well. But in this case, what happens is that the other user won't be notified. The comment will be there as a general comment. But if you were to go around and then mention them, then what happens is that they get notified about this as well. So now what happens is that the other person will receive an email like this, as you can see right here. For the general comment, they won't receive anything like this, but you can see that as I mentioned out my second email address, you can see that you got a mail right here. So you can go around over here, and if you were to click on go to mail, then they'll actually go on to this folder as well. And they will be able to go around and then comment back. So let's say for example, you can go around and press @ right here, and let's say for example, type in tututube right here, just like this. I'm just going to go around and say tututube over here. So this is what you have. They will be able to go around and tag in as well, and then comment at the same time. So they can go around and say, okay, I will add in more images over here. I'm not going to worry about the spelling mistakes. So if I were to press send right here, then what happens is that I can go around and comment out back just like that again as well. And that is how you can go around and then actually tag out the other person and then comment out as well. So if I were to go around and refresh this out right here, then what I will be able to see is this right here, as you can see. So if I were to refresh this and go to info, you can see that this is what I have right here. But I didn't actually went around and commented correctly right here. I do need to type in the full email address just like this. So let's just go around and do that again right here and correct it out. So I did mention out the enter. So if I were to go around and press tututube@outlook.com just like this. So once I do that, now I actually go around and tag the other person right here, and you can see that it actually turns blue right here. And this is how you can actually coordinate with one another as well. You can type in a comment, and if there's anything like you want to share out files and so forth, then you can easily coordinate among your team members by using this method. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe